The mini board serves as a tool with unlimited possibilities. Think of it as a post-it note that you can use throughout the day. At any stage in whiteboard mode, you can access the mini board from the feature menu. This is great if you want to put a syllabus dot point up, such as learning fraction rules, or even something simple. Like at 3 p.m, we have PE. And keep it visible and front of mind for your students throughout the lesson. From there, you can adjust the size of your mini board like this. You can even move the mini board around the display by grabbing the top bar and simply moving it around. Or, if you close it, you can bring it back up at a later stage of the day and the content is still there.